They thought sight flowed outward from the eye until one man locked himself in darkness and proved the world was lying. Cairo, just after midnight. Oil lamps flicker low, their smoke clinging to stone walls warmed by desert heat. Outside, the city murmurs, water cellars, distant prayers, footsteps fading into alleys. Inside a quiet room, a man closes the shutters until the last sliver of moonlight disappears. He wants darkness, total darkness, because only in the absence of light, he believes, can truth be caught. His name is Ibn al-Haytham, and in this room, vision itself is on trial. For centuries, people believed the eyes sent out invisible rays that touched the world, like hands feeling their way through space. It sounded reasonable. It felt intuitive. But Ibn al-Haytham couldn't accept it. If vision came from the eye, why did bright light cause pain? Why did darkness blind instantly? Why did illusions deceive even the sharpest minds? So he begins to test reality. He pierces a tiny hole in the shutter. A single beam of sunlight cuts through the darkness, sharp as a blade. On the opposite wall, an image appears, upside down. The city, the street, the moving world inverted and precise. The room holds its breath. This is no philosophy. This is evidence. Light travels. It enters the eye. It obeys rules. The revelation spreads slowly, deliberately. Ibn al-Haytham repeats the experiments. Glass, water, mirrors, angles measured not by guesswork but by geometry. He traces reflection, dissects refraction, times perception itself. Vision, he discovers, is not instant magic. It is a process. Light strikes an object. It reflects. It enters the eye. The mind interprets. Seeing is an act of understanding. Midway through his work, the danger sharpens. To challenge ancient authorities is risky. To say the Greeks were wrong is dangerous. To claim truth must be tested, not inherited, is revolutionary. But Ibn al-Haytham presses on, page after page, experiment after experiment, until belief gives way to proof. In 1021, the Book of Optics is complete. Its impact will echo for centuries, through Renaissance artists mastering perspective, through scientists refining lenses, through telescopes, microscopes, and eventually cameras that freeze light itself. Modern science doesn't begin with a machine. It begins here, with a dark room, a narrow beam, and the courage to doubt what everyone else accepts. Light doesn't leave the eye to find the world. The world sends light to us. And once you understand that, nothing looks the same again. If this moment changed the way you see the world, take a second to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other hidden turning points in history you want to uncover next.